renovation is inspired. For 18 years, this builder has a clear mission and goal to be the benchmark of design and to educate society in how to design quality and life. Congratulations to Inspired Spaces Design. Hi, I cannot believe I won this last year at Love Notification. Testament to my staff, to my team, they have my back, and I knew I was a successful business last year when I flew to England for 5 weeks to see my daughter, because I hadn't seen her for 3.5 years with COVID like everybody else had. I gave them 3 weeks notice that I was leaving. I went for 5 weeks. I had 1 phone call in the entire time, so that told me I was successful as a business. So I'm really an accidental entrepreneur in that it became a necessity. I have a severely disabled daughter, and unfortunately in 2013 my husband became disabled as well. He was a high-flying executive that we relied on his income, and all of a sudden we had no money. He still hasn't worked since 2013, so all of a sudden I had to become a business and my mindset changed. So with my disabled daughters as my inspiration, and my other daughter in England who's just said, Margaret, I'm going, and she's exploring the world, and she's just spent the last 3 days in Spain for her hens, as you do. They are my inspiration.